If you feel that your skin is dry and tired, your energy is low, and you have bad breath, this recipe is perfect for you. The earliest recorded medicinal value of Radix fichy dates back over 300 years to the Qin dynasty. During the Kangxi reign, it was documented in a medicinal book called 生草药性备药. In Guangdong province, it is also known as Guangdong ginseng. Radix fichy has numerous healthy benefits, including replenishing qi and supporting digestive health. However, for people in Guangdong, the most important function is to dispel dickness. Here is all the ingredients we need: whole seed, pora, dates, and Radix fichy. Start by put parchment paper in air fry basket. Add raw cold seed to the air fryer. Pop it in the air fryer at 365 for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, flip the cold seed. Roast them for another 15 minutes at the same temperature. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also pan-roast the cold seed. Use medium-low heat until they turn gold. The white cold seed are unroasted. The yellow ones have been roasted. Next, wash all the ingredients. Cut the dates in half. That can release the sweetness more easily. Use a pot or kettle. Pour in all the ingredients. Add water. Turn the heat to high. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer it for 30 minutes. Prepare a cup, add popping bubble. Place a coffee filter on top of the cup. Pour in the cold Radix fichy tea. After the liquid has filtered through, now you can enjoy a delicious cup of Radix fichy bubble tea. No need for artificial sweetness, just the natural sweetness from the dates. It is healthy, tasty, and all natural. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Then you can see more videos about healthy combines tasty.